Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's explore 4 idioms that are perfect for describing social interactions. I'll also show you how they compare to basic English so you can see the difference. Let's dive in. Idiom 1, break the ice. This idiom is perfect for describing when you do something to ease the initial awkwardness in a social situation. Let's see how it sounds in basic English compared to using the idiom. Basic English. He started a conversation to make everyone feel comfortable. With the idiom, he told a funny joke to break the ice at the meeting. See how the idiom makes the sentence more vivid and engaging? It adds a touch of charm to the moment. Idiom 2, beat around the bush. This idiom is used when someone avoids giving a direct answer or talking about the main issue. Let's compare how it sounds in basic English versus using the idiom. Basic English, stop avoiding the question and give me a direct answer. With the idiom, stop beating around the bush and tell me the truth. See how the idiom adds a colorful twist? It makes the statement more relatable and engaging. Idiom 3, put your foot in your mouth. This idiom describes saying something embarrassing or inappropriate without meaning to. Here's how it would sound in basic English versus with the idiom. Basic English. She said something by mistake, congratulating him on a promotion he hadn't received yet. With the idiom, she put her foot in her mouth when she mistakenly congratulated him on a promotion he hadn't received yet. Doesn't the idiom make it sound more expressive? It's a fun way to describe those awkward moments. Idiom 4, stick by someone through thick and thin. This idiom highlights loyalty, meaning to support someone in both good and bad times. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. She supported her best friend through every challenge she faced. With the idiom, she stuck by her best friend through thick and thin, no matter the challenges. The idiom beautifully captures the depth of loyalty and makes the sentiment more heartfelt. So there you have it, 4 idioms you can use to describe different social situations. Notice how using idioms makes your language more expressive and fun. Here's a challenge for you. Pick one idiom and try to use it in a conversation this week. Share your example in the comments and let me know how it went. See you in the next one.